Recently, Max and Min were in the city and decided to find a supermarket to buy some fruit to eat. They soon found a shopping centre in Main Street, and as soon as they entered through automatic glass sliding doors, Max saw a map of the shops. "Let's look at this map, Min, so we can find out where the supermarket is." The twins walked right up to the map to have a close look and saw that the many shops were marked with a number, and there was a large pink space marked with the number 7 and the word supermarket. They saw straight away their position on the map, where the words "You are here" were written, near shop 28. Can you see which way Max and Min should go to reach the supermarket? Max and Min started walking towards the supermarket, choosing the path between shops 15 and 28, continuing between shops 17 and 25, going between shops 19 and 23, then turning right around shop 20, where they saw the way into the supermarket. Back home later that day, Max decided, just for the fun of it, to draw a map or floor plan of their home, just like a smaller version of the shopping centre map. First, he drew his floor plan on a sheet of white paper. Then cut out coloured paper shapes for each room. Then finally, he wrote down the name of each room. Min thought Max's plan was excellent because now they could easily show their friends how to find their bedroom, the TV room, and even the bathroom before their friends came to visit. Have some fun creating a map of your own home or even your local shops using coloured pencils and/or coloured paper. Now you can watch this video again or try the quiz and look at the chart that comes with this video.